What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a clothesline, you guys. Not just any clothesline, but it's an indoor clothesline. All right. So if you have been a long time subscriber on the channel, you know that I reviewed an outdoor clothesline. Well, you could have used it outdoor, indoors, but I reviewed a cool little clothesline before. This one is definitely for indoors. You might be able to place it outdoors. I'm not sure, but it expands up to like 13 foot or 14 foot. I will post all the specs for y'all. It says it holds up to 40 pounds. I really want to test that part out. I will be putting this into my one of my guest bedrooms to where we can save on our electric bill, you guys. Let's use the dryer a little bit less, right? Our bills are going up when it comes to electrical. So this is called GorillaLine. We have here instructions. We have screws, anchors. We got a mount right here. The GorillaLine mechanism. This will be very interesting. Okay, so you pull out and it comes back. Okay. We just have to figure out how to mount it. Once we figure that out, then we'll be good to go. Place hands on the side and press. Oh, so you push. Okay, so it just comes right on out. So you got the mechanism right here. Oh, this is pretty cool. Got the gears. All right. I'm going to put the screws where the holes are located. So you see hole. That's the best I can do. There's nothing else to take apart. From the looks of it, this thing has its own mount. So I'm not getting into that. That's kind of weird. Yeah, I don't see that anywhere. And I'll take a picture and show it to y'all, but I don't see that mount anywhere. You use these, you can use these. Well, it seems pretty strong. We will find that out. It's time to go and install this thing and wrap up this review. I had to get some drywall screws. The screws that come with this thing, they're not magnetic, so you know it's kind of hard to keep it up. So we're going back. All right, so I'll put this like these feet in the air. All right, let's see what happens here. All right, so that there. Let's take out. All right, now the only thing is I will need 2 anchors because there's a lid on this side. I just want to go ahead and put my hole in. Well, probably should I show the hole first? So let's see. Right there's a hole. All right, I think I'm going to you guys. So I'm going to put a hole in here. All right, now you guys wait quick. Oh, we don't want to top there, no. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slides. I'm just going to use 4. Okay, 5. All right, so I am going to use anchors on these two right here. I know you can't see it, but all right, you guys. So I took it off. I put the anchors on, and now I have all 4 on. So what I did was put the holes here, and then I took it back down, did a little pre-drill, hit it in with the anchor, and you know, the blah, blah, blah stuff. But everything is good right now. So let's go ahead and put the plate on. So we have the plate right here, and there you go, GorillaLine. All right, and it fits right on. All right. Nice and easy. Now the only thing I have to do is measure from the floor. So I have to measure from the floor, then I have to measure all the way up because we want to make sure that our other piece that we have to put on is not slouching down. So we will have to match this up. So see how it matches up right there. We will have to make sure wherever our bottom is over here, we match up over that side. So we have to measure twice. We got to measure from the window to the edge right here. And then we got to measure from the bottom. And then we're going to measure from right here, the floor to the bottom of our mount. And that way we can get a good measurement when we go to the other side of the room. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the measurements and then we'll finalize it. The measurement over there I had 39 1/4 and then 70 something and 3/4. So basically I measured that over there and I have it to the same measurement over here. Okay, so what I have to do is just match it up. So this will be the matchup right here, and no, this is supposed to be down like this. So this is the other mount for that side, in which in order to take this off, you have to get a screwdriver, pry it up. Okay, screwdriver, pry it up, and then that comes up like that. So this is the mount that you need to put on first. All right, so we are going to go ahead, put a couple of screws in, and then get this thing going. What we will do, we will make our marks. Once we make our marks, we will go ahead, drill, hammer in our anchors, and then put this thing up. All right, you guys, I put the anchors in, I put the screws in, everything is good. This thing is not moving at all, so we should have good stability. All right. Everything should be good, you guys. Let's pray. Let me put a couple of clothes up. All right, you guys, I have a few pants. Remember, it says, what is it, 40 pounds? 40 pounds weight limit? I'm not really sure about that 40 pounds as far as weight goes, but I'll also clips too. You can use weight clips, the whole round clips, you guys, or you can upgrade. Oh, this is so much fun. This is so much fun, you guys. That's it, post about the 40 pounds. And, all right, so let's check this out. I'm gonna make it a little bit longer, but it'll do. All right, we got that. Oh, this one. I was gonna something that's a little bit tighter, but these are good too. All right, so we're gonna look out. I'll put some more. And now we can. All right, you guys, so that's it with the clothesline. We have room to put maybe like 5 more pants on here. So if you're into trying to save money, if you have a homeowner association, I have videos where I can show you how to do a workaround if you want to do a clothesline. This is probably one of the best ideas you can do, an indoor clothesline, you guys. I do have another indoor clothesline that I want to do, but I might have to wait till spring for that. But I did do an outdoor clothesline. So if I remember to post a video here, I'll post it. But usually related content I put at the end of my videos. So with that being said, I will try to catch y'all to do a final. If I don't catch y'all to do a final, like, comment, share, and subscribe.